we're gonna vacuum seal our fish now. It's really important when you're preserving fish, if you aren't gonna eat it fresh, to just get all the air out and then freeze it really fast. The best way to do it's with a vacuum sealer. One of the things I like, so I'm gonna take this uku and we're gonna keep it whole because I like to bake them. But most vacuum sealing bags aren't large enough for whole fish, so if you get like big trout or something like that. So this way we'll make our own bag. It's custom length. I'm just gonna pull this out and then cut it to the length that I know for sure. We'll take the full fish plus some for sealing and then cut it right here. I'm just gonna seal one end of this bag. And just hit seal only, close it up, then we'll put our uku in and then vacuum seal it, make sure we get a good nice and tight seal, take all the air out, and then it's ready for the freezer. All right, bottom of our bag sealed. In the bag. This style of vacuum sealer is really good if you're doing like a lot of whole fish or big pieces of fish, things like trout, salmon. You can choose the type that you want. For fish, I always do really tight. It lasts longer, stays a lot fresher, tastes way better when you've got all the air out. So I do a really tight seal and then just let it do the work. I like to pull it out and just keep pulling to make sure that it gets tight up against the fish, gets all the air out. Look at that. Perfectly preserved fish. Ready for the freezer. Alright, so I've got some fillets here. These fillets I like to cook skin on. When you're sealing anything with skin, if you're doing whole fish, what I like to do is you always go skin to skin or meat to meat. You never want the scale part of the fish to touch the meat of the other side. So we're just gonna do 2 in 1 bag, but we're gonna go skin to skin, or you can go meat to meat. I just like to be able to see the meat portion of it. Set it in the vacuum bag, tighten it down. Oh, nice tight seal. There we go, we've got a whole fish, 2 halves, perfectly preserved, ready for the freezer. So when I take this out, it's gonna taste fresh and stay really good. It's gonna be awesome.